Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get stash house codes in GTA 5. First, open your map and look for the stash house icon, which resembles a small house with a dollar sign. Once you spot one, head over to its location. As you get close, the mission will automatically activate, prompting you to find the entry code. This code is crucial for gaining access to the valuable contents inside, so pay close attention to your surroundings. To obtain the entry code, you'll need to engage with the enemies protecting the stash house. Typically, one of these foes will carry a small note containing the 4-digit code you need. Be sure to check all defeated enemies for this crucial item. Sometimes, the code might also be discreetly placed on a wall or object near the entrance, so keep an eye out for any glowing interactable items. Once you have the 4-digit code, proceed to the stash house entrance. You will find a small keypad usually positioned right beside the main door. Interact with this keypad and carefully enter the code you discovered. If the code is correct, the door will unlock, allowing you to step inside and claim your rewards. It's a straightforward process once you have the numbers. Inside the stash house, you'll find a significant amount of cash, often around $30,000, along with other valuable items. Collecting these rewards completes the mission and also grants you a boost in reputation points, which is great for your overall progress. Remember, stash houses reset every 24 hours in real-world time, offering a fresh chance to earn more rewards daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.